This is gonna be shop vlog 1. Got a few things going on, not too much. 351 swap coyote, 351 swap fox body, not coyote, my bad. Helpers Lightning. We're doing a 3.4 mega intake Whipple on that Lightning. Fully built 3-valve with the Whipple. That's gonna be on the rollers soon. It actually already was on the rollers, but ran out of MAF. So waiting on new MAF to come in. Got a couple projects going on in here. We got a 1986 LTD Crown Victoria. Just got back from paint, and yeah, this is what we did. We retrofitted the cross member to fit the Coyote. We did a custom transmission cross member also. Gotta put it all back up. Try to run factory manifolds like for an F-150, but they didn't fit. So we're gonna have to make new custom exhaust manifolds for it. Putting this truck back together. This is a 6.2 Chevy with the Whipple. I had a couple bent valves. This is just a little side job. 1929 Ford Model A sedan, 2-door. It's gonna get a Bowling Brothers custom frame. This is mine, by the way. 302 small block, big old 671 blower. I got the differential here. I need to actually paint. Big, humongous blower that's gonna be put on that little small block Ford. I'm not trying to push a lot of power for it, so we're just gonna be strictly for looks. Got my Cadillac just sitting here, sitting pretty, and we did turbo the Fox body. The last video I made on the Fox body, that was me just doing the restoration on it. We got a turbo kit for it, and it fits great. I didn't like the downpipe on it, but I mean, it is what it is. I had custom mid pipes on it before. It's pretty clean down here, like really, really clean. But today it's Sunday. We're not working today. I just went inside, got my camera gear, and I wanted to make a little vlog of what we got going on in the shop. I finished doing my upstairs office. Got a couple signs. Big shout out to the real Jay-Z. He lives in Bryan, Texas, and he got these out for us. VP Racing and VP Racing Mad Scientist. Yeah, so I just finished building that up there. It's my office, and then a lunch break room. I already had this. This is just the parts room, restroom. But let's go freaking test drive this Mustang. I just finished tuning it for idle and drivability. So I'm going to put this camera in the car. We're going to go cruise it, and then come back to the shop. I got more footage on this too once we finish that. Front end's a little bit dirty because we've been hacking away the front bumper, and there's a lot of fiberglass and stuff. I do not like that at all. I did not like that I had to cut that bumper like that. But, I mean, you got to do what you got to do. I mean, not much else. It's an on-3 turbo kit, 70mm cast wheel. This is their basic kit that they sell. It's not like any big old fancy-smancy turbo. 60-pound injectors, PMAS, mass airflow sensor, and it's still being tuned on the A9L computer. Pretty much doing the old school way. Let me close this up. God, this thing's so small. I keep forgetting how small this thing is. But I got all my computer taken apart over there. It's a mess. That idle though, that cold start. Turn that off. I gotta replace that freaking blower motor because it's making so much noise. We're gonna let it warm up a little bit. I'm gonna set up the camera and see if we can hear some whistling noises and stuff and such. Camera is mounted. Car's not really warmed up. I literally just put the thing on. See, my head's touching the fucking roof. These seats are brand new. And I think Jesse adjusted my seat. These seats are brand new, so the cushions are very tall. It has new springs on it. I don't have a lot of seat time on this turbo kit. I literally drove it around one time. Made some fuel adjustments. And it was pretty damn close already but I really need a data log again just to verify that my changes that I made were sufficient. In the tune, I have the base fuel table all set to 1, so I can data log it and make sure I'm at stoic. Obviously, I can't go wide open throttle, but I can cruise it around, and that's just enough to hear the whistling noises. That's just enough to drive it around, at least, you know? It's pretty loud in here, too, even though I have the whole car dynomated. It feels great. It feels like it pulls a lot harder than it does just regular driving. I need to upgrade the suspension on this thing, and I still got to do the brakes because everything is stock. I mean, it was restored to stock spec. It wasn't really done for a race car or anything. But I'd say that fucking idle is great. That tune is great. Now I got to get in the dyno and see what it makes. It's a lot quieter now. Door not closed right? Oh, it's my seatbelt. Ooh. It's on an 11-pound spring. Air to fuel will be set to 11.41, which is 78 lambda. 7 degrees of timing. I'm not gonna bump up the timing till we get on the dyno and we see what we're doing. Man, I hope this block holds up. It should make around at least 500. I'm hoping for 500. If I get 490, I'll be happy, but I think it's going to be around 490, to be honest. 490, 500, that's what I'm suspecting. But, man, I love that sound. But anyways, that pretty much concludes our video for today. I think that'll be good. I got to get a little bit more. I'll probably start painting that differential and building that. That way we can get some progress going on the Model A. But yeah, thanks for checking out Shop Vlog 1. If you guys really do like the vlog videos, go ahead and comment below. Let me know what you think, what more you want me to do, what kind of vehicles we should dyno, what kind of questions you have about our Coyote swap, freaking Crown Victoria, anything about the shop progress, let me know.